can be used in educational fields as well. How? The computers can be used in the educational fields for improving the teaching and the learning process. Computer is used in the colleges to provide the methods of the teaching in different ways. It is used to educate the students effectively. Many computers based educational programs are available. The students can learn to read, to count, and to speak foreign language as well. Many educational games are becoming popular in the students. So these are all the positive impacts of the computers. But moreover, the computer is being used in the every field of life, such as medical, business, industry, airline, and weather forecasting as well. So the computer is the very positive impact on our society. It is also used for the future prediction and the forecasting as well. Now we will move to the negative impact of the computers. As you know that if there are the positive impacts of the computers, so there will be the negative impacts of the computer as well. The use of the computer has also created some problems in society, which are as follows. These are also the when we will discuss about the problem, then it is the negative impacts of the computer. The first and the main negative impact of the computer is unemployment. How? Because different tasks are performed automatically by using computers. It reduces the need of the people and increase unemployment in the society. And the second one main point is the wastage of time. As you know, the many people use computers without positive purpose. They play games and chat for a long time. It causes the wastage of time and energy as well. So that we will move to the third point, which is the data security. As you know, data is very important thing in our life. So the security of data is also crucial for us. The data stored on the computer can be accessed by the unauthorized person through the network. It creates serious problems to the data security. Fourth point is the computer crime. What is the crime? So what is the computer crime? People use computer for the negative activities. They hack the credit card numbers of the peoples and use them for shoppings. Sometimes they hack the accounts of the personal users, just like the Facebook and the Gmail and the Hotmail as well. And the third one is the privacy violation. Fifth one is the privacy violation. In the privacy violation, the computers are used to store personal data of the people. The privacy of the person can be violated if the personal and the confidential records are not protected properly. The next point is the health risks. As you know, the improper and the prolonged use of the computer can result in injuries and disorders of hands, wrists, elbows, eyes, neck and the back as well. The user can avoid health risks by using the computer in the proper position. They must also take regular break while using the computer for a longer time. So the next one, which is the impact on environment, which is very important for our society. So the impact of the computer manufacturing process and the computer waste are polluting the environment. The wasted parts may release toxic materials. Green computing is the method to reduce the electricity consumed and waste generated when using a computer. It includes recycling and regulating manufacturing process. The use of computers must be denoted and disposed properly. So it's all about the negative impacts of the computer in our society. Now we will move to the next slide, which is the uses of computers at home. As computer can be used in the following ways in our homes. Number 1 is the home budget, computer games, working from home, and entertainment, information, and chatting. So now we will discuss each point in very detail. First of all, we will move to the home budgets. Computer can be used to manage the home budgets. The user can easily calculate the expense and income. It is easy to list all expenses in one column and income in another column. Different types of the calculations can be applied on the columns to the plan of home budget. Now we will move to the next point, which is the computer games. You are all familiar to the computer games. Okay. Basically, there are the different types of the games which are available. These games are the source of the entertainment and the recreations. Many games are available that are specially developed to improve your mental capability and thinking power. Okay, working from home is the other point. Okay, now we will discuss it. People can manage the office work at home. The owner of the company can check the work of the employees from home. He can control his office while sitting at home. The next point is the entertainment. You know, people can find entertainment on the internet. They can watch movies, listen songs, and download different stuff. They can also watch the live matches on the internet. Now the next point is the information. People can find any type of information from the internet. Educational and informative websites are available to download books, tutorials to improve their knowledge. The next one is the chatting. People can chat with the friends on the internet. They can also talk with them. Different messages, files, and the information can be sent to them. This is all about the uses of the computer at the home. Now we will move to the next slide. Uses of computer in education. Okay. Basically, if we move to the previous slide, uses of computer in the education, you know that the computer can be used in education to improve teaching and the learning process. It is used in colleges to provide the teaching methods in different ways. It is used to educate the students effectively. Computers can be used in education for the following ways. So, we will discuss what are the different ways in which the computer education is used. Number 1 is the CBT, computer based trainings. The second one is the CAL, computer aided learnings. The third one is the distance learning. Fourth one is the online education, and fifth one is the research. Okay, first of all we will discuss the CBT. In the CBT, it consists of the different programs that are supplied on the CD-ROM. These programs include text, graphics, and the sounds. Audio and the video lectures are recording on CDs. CBT is the low-cost solution for educating people. You can train a large number of people easily. Okay, now we will move to the CAL. CAL is basically the computer aided learning. It is the process of using information technology to help teaching and learning process. The use of computer can reduce the time spent on preparing teaching material. It also reduces administrative load of the teaching and research. The use of multimedia projectors and the slides improves the quality of the teaching. It also helps learning process. Now we will move to the next point, which is the distance learning. Distance learning is a learning methodology using computer. The students do not need to come to the institutes. The institute provides the reading material and the student attend the virtual class. In the virtual classroom, the teacher delivers the lecture at his own workplace. The student can attend the lecture at home by connecting a network. The student can also ask the questions to the teacher. The answer can be given to the student by the email or in the chat box. The fourth one is the online education. As you are all familiar with the online education, in the time period of the corona, you know that all the educational system will be dependent on the online education. So we will go to the online education and discuss what is the online education. Many websites provides the online education. The user can download educational material, books and the tutorials. Some universities provide online lectures for the students. Students can ask questions and discuss problems by sending emails to these websites. The next one is the research. Research is basically different research scientists can share their research using the internet. Many websites are developed for the research activities. The students are young researchers can benefit from the research websites. The next one is the uses of computer in industry. Uses of computer in industry means that the computers are used in industry in different types of the systems. Robots are used to control many complex tasks. A robot is an automatic programmable machine. It moves and performs mechanical tasks. Computers can be used in industry in the following ways. Now we will move to the slide. Okay. One is the automated production system and the second one is the design system. In the automated production system, many car factories are completely computerized. Cars are assembled by the computer control robots. This system works quickly than the human beings and becoming popular. The second one is the design systems. Many products are designed using CAD, computer aided design. Computer programs are used to design the model of the product on the computer. After the design is complete, the actual product is produced. Now the next one slide is the uses of computer in business and commerce. As all of you are familiar that the use of the computer technology in the business and commerce provides many facilities. Businessmen are using computers to interact with their customers anywhere in the world. Many business tasks are performed more quickly and efficiently. Computers also help them to reduce the overall cost of their business. Computers can be used in the business and commerce as follows. Marketing, stock exchange, banks, retail store, accounting and payroll, office automation, budgeting and forecasting, communication, research, order tracking and the business planning. So first of all we will discuss about the marketing. Okay, any business organization can use computers for marketing their products. Marketing applications provide information about the products to the customers. Computers is also used to manage the distribution systems, advertising and the selling activities.